Hey MECCA Beauty Junkies, it's Emilie from MECCA MAX and I'm here to show you how to banana bake. So I've seen this baking trend everywhere and I'm really excited to show you how I'm gonna get the look with the MECCA MAX banana bake range. Let's go bananas! So I've done my brows and my base off camera. I used the MECCA MAX Life Proof foundation. It's really beautiful and creamy, gave me a medium to full coverage and it's gonna last all day long. Step one, I wanna take the MECCA MAX Life Proof concealer, place this anywhere that you wanna brighten. Today I'm gonna focus right underneath the eyes. So I've just applied this in stripes from the outer corner of my eye to the outer corner of my nose, this little triangle of light, and now I'm gonna blend it out. This is the MECCA MAX Beauty Bullet. I'm just bouncing the skin back and forth, making sure that there's no harsh lines. And the other side. I really like the pointed tip on this because it allows you to get right in there underneath your eyes. So I'm just patting the leftover concealer on my eyelid just to help brighten that area and underneath the brows as well. And now for the fun part, banana bake powder. You've got your pressed or your loose options. Pressed is great if you want to travel or if you're just starting out with baking. Today I'm going to use the loose. So I'm going to take the Bake and Set brush. This has been specifically designed to work really well with the banana bake powder. I'm going to use this flat end and really pack on the powder everywhere I put concealer. So I know it looks a little crazy, but don't stress too much. It's all a part of the baking magic. So now I've got to let this set for a few minutes. And what do you do when you look crazy? You send a picture to your friends. Time's up. I'm going to take my brush. This time I'm going to take the domed end and I'm going to brush off all of the excess powder. Oh, it looks so airbrushed. Voila! So now that I've got this flawless complexion, I'm just going to go in with some bronzer and finish off the look. The final step is the Banana Bake Blurring Setting Spray. This is going to lock my face down all day long but give me a nice soft focus finish. It smells so good. So that's how I banana bake. If you've got any questions, leave them down in the comment box below and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.